Hi guys, it's Faye, aka Natty Scrappy. I've lost my tripod, so firstly I'd like to apologise for the video. So as you can see, my 𝔽𝕉𝕣𝕒𝕒 sub box has arrived, and as of yet I haven't opened it. I've literally just picked it up from the post office, so I wanted to open it with you guys on screen. So here you go. So again, apologies for the video in advance because I don't have anything to prop my phone up with. Okay, so bear with me. The easiest way to do it is if I just take out all the goodies. So if I do that, and move the box out the way. Do you know what? Let's see if it will work with this. That's a bit, bonus. So I've just used the 𝔽𝕉𝕣𝕒𝕒 box to prop my phone up a little bit. So I do the subscription for the passport size TN, and this is what we got last month, which is the cutest thing, and I loved it. And as you can see, I've done lots of things with it, and I have no idea because I've tried to not look at sneak peeks for this month's kit, so I'm actually really excited about opening it. So let's get on with this then. As you can see, lots of goodies. So let's start off with, oh wow, how pretty is that? Backyard blooms. And then obviously Christine has put a little note there. Hummingbirds. Oh, aren't they the most beautiful bird? Look at that. And as usual, we've got this is what we got with the kit. And I used this, if I quickly open my previous one, I'll show you what I did with it. So this is what I did with my one from last month. So I'll actually keep that idea going, because I like that and it's really handy. So there's that one. And then we have the bag. I'm just going to take it away from screen to undo it, because knowing me, I will knock over my phone. So let's take out all the goodies from this bag. I'll bring it back over. There you go. Oh wow, that's really pretty. So firstly, we've got the 𝔽𝕉𝕒𝕒𝕒 pen, and with the daisy, can you see that? The daisy on the end. And then we get just undo this quickly. We also get some refills for the pens, which is amazing. So thank you very much. And then we have, let's just undo this properly. Pull that out. There you go. And then we've got a little notepad with dragonflies and flowers, which is lovely. I have to excuse my nails. I've been doing lots of moving furniture and they are wrecked. Some stickers for all your tabs, so you can choose what you want to put on it. Your date stickers, weekend, days of the week, and your lists, if you want to make some lists, which are lovely. I mean, I'm loving the colours, they're so bright and pretty. And obviously this is your functional sticker kit that you get. I subscribed, I think, to the extra, I get extras with it. So I can't remember what they're called. So these are cardstock, I'd say A5. So that's one side. How stunning is that print? And then green on the other, and she folds them in half. And then there is that's really pretty. I like that. And then a stripe. Oh, it looks like I've got a shadow, so I'm really apologising because I'm using natural daylight. This one, it's got like a chevron kind of pattern, which is really nice, and then you can't really see it, but it's such a pretty aqua blue, and unfortunately it doesn't look like it's coming up on screen. Can you see? There you go, you can kind of see it there. Isn't that pretty? And then on the other side, I love this. This is like a distress ink blot. Oh, and it's even, let me turn it over, it's actually got some writing on it, look. Obviously you can't make out what it says, but isn't that pretty? And some swirls. I've just spotted the swirls there. How gorgeous is that? Ooh, look at this. Step and relax and unfold. Pouch for this month. Sorry, rattling everything. So it's very nice fabric with a tassel on the end, which looks like you can take. Oh dear, something's happened to mine. Never mind. I can yeah, there you go, sort that out there. So obviously that comes off, so you can use it as a charm with a really nice rose gold zipper. And then, oh, look at all that, that's huge, that's really nice. So if you're on the go, perfect little planner pouch. And then here I've got, sorry, just moving, some ephemera. Look at that. See what we've got in here. You've got Sunshine and Daydreams, It's a New Day, lots of flowers. Oh, making sure I'm in screenshot. Some sort of journal. I'd use these for scrapbooking actually, because I scrapbook as well. Oh, missed that. Look how cute that is. Isn't that pretty? More flowers. Another stunning hummingbird. Pretty colours. Again, more flowers. And then you've got your tabs, which are all coordinating with actually the cardstock, which is really nice. There you go. Got quite a few of those. And then, oh look, enamels. Oh, I like those. Stunning colours. Paperclip. Isn't that beautiful? Wow, that's so pretty. And then we've got a little notepad. Make the most of the moment you are in now. Isn't that true? Especially with what's going on currently with coronavirus. And this is the passport size Cocoa Daisy dory. And you get obviously a planned week there. Blank pages. And then it goes into weeks. And if I remember, yeah, you get a central part. Oh wow, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful colours. And obviously all the different pages have different toppers at the top. So let's see. So I like that one. Plant smiles, grow laughter, harvest love. That's really lovely. And then obviously back up here, all the flowers of tomorrow are in the seeds of today. That's really nice quote. That's pretty. Lots of little quotes. I love this. I've really enjoyed using the mini dory because it's just made my life so much more simple. And look at that, you can actually put a stunning photo on there because that is the perfect page for a pretty picture. And be courageous, be creative, be free. How pretty is that? And then this is the other packet. And if you go on to Cocoa Daisy, as it says on the month card, yeah, here you go. And you mention me, then you get $10 to spend in the store on a later purchase. So go and subscribe because they are really, really nice kits. Oh wow, more ephemera. I'm not going to open everything because it will just get everywhere. So look at all of this. Wow, flowers, hummingbirds, pretty flowers there. What's this? Arrows, that's nice. Little bow. Oh, I like the dragonflies, pretty. Plans, more hummingbirds. I'm loving the colours. Yeah, see, lots and lots of ephemera. More pretty flowers. Another tab. And what does this one say? To do. And then I've got another one there. So I think that's exactly the same actually. Oh wow, look at that. A dragonfly charm keychain. And a really lovely tag. Again, I might use that for scrapbooking. Oh wow, and some paper clips. That's beautiful. I like those. And then I've got puffy stickers, which are stunning. Oh, look at these. Oh wow, that's lovely. And actually, what I might do is punch those and put them into my happy planner. So let me open the journal cards and stickers back here. So I'm not making a big old mess in front. So your uniqueness is your magic. That's nice. And they're just single-sided ones. Always be on the lookout for the presence of wonder. Isn't that the truth again? And this would make a good game actually. Tic-tac-toe. and some planner stickers, and look, they've made the stickers into stamps. How lovely are those? Put those on a pretty letter. Remember the days we used to send letters? Functional stickers and dates and letters. And again, more days of the week, habit to-do checklist here. And this one says, grateful for the small things, big things, and even in between. How beautiful is this kit? It is now completely all over my desk. I haven't quite sussed how to position things yet. Anyway, if you liked this video, I'm going to try and give some more a go. It's been a long time since I've done any videos, so give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I'm on Instagram at @NattyScrappy, and I shall see you soon, and I will be doing plan with me's and other things like that. So thank you very much for joining me today. Hope to see you again soon. As I said, subscribe in the button down below, and definitely going to put this up so I can see it every single day. Beautiful. Thank you, Cocoa Daisy. Bye bye.